Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can flip or mirror a picture or a video within Capcut. So all you have to do is click at the bottom left, sorry, where it says edit. So once you've done that, you have to scroll towards the right and you will see where it says transform. So once you're transformed, you see the option mirror, rotate, and resize. Where we want to focus on is the mirror option. So what the mirror option would do, it will shift whatever is on the left to the right and whatever is on the right to the left. So it will basically mirror the image to the other direction. So if you can see this hotel that points to the left, once I click on mirror, it will now show the other direction, which will be the right. So that's about how you can mirror your video on Capcut. So I will touch the mirror and you will see. So that's about it. If you also want to redo it to the other direction, and that's about it. So let me know guys in the comment section if you have any other questions or suggestions in regards to the video. Thank you.